So right now, I keep all my tools in these bins, and they're in my back seat because my quad's in the box of the truck. And I just ordered a decked unit. I'm here at a business called Capit in Calgary, and I'm gonna assemble the decked unit in the parking lot, load the quad up, and be on my way. Alright, well, I just quickly installed this back rack. That was super easy. Well, I'm in a hurry, so I just got everything half-assed stashed away. Those are currently empty, and I managed to get all my toolboxes in there. There's a full-size one behind there too. Socket set, that drill's just sitting on top for now. That won't be where it lives. But yeah, that turned out pretty freaking awesome so far. I just have a few more things to load up, and I'm good to go. to find a YouTube video of somebody doing that before I bought this, and I couldn't find one. But that worked way too easy. First try. Okay, yeah, that's pretty awesome. Alright, well, I've had this decked rat pack in here for a couple weeks now. I've been using it a lot. Got all my tools in it all organized, and the ATV's on top of it. So one thing, if you can notice, is where my quad tire is. It is slightly pressing this down. I have it off center because I had the coolers beside the quad there. On this side it's not deforming nearly as much because it's over top of that support. But I think as soon as I unload it, it'll spring back, and I'll probably put some wood underneath the tire there. In the front, it is doing the same thing. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is slightly bent in. Overall, it's pretty good so far. So here I've got my magnet trays, C-clamp, little spade. Well, yeah, I'd love to know what you think about this decked drawer system. I think it suits my purposes pretty good. It lets me carry around all my tools and more than what I used to, and it keeps the inside of my truck nice and clean. And my quad fits on it real nicely. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.